Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, good afternoon. My name is Lily Haryati. My student registration number is 2118030. Today I will explain about the grammatical syllabus. First, I will explain the definition. Grammatical syllabus is a syllabus in which grammatical structure forms the central organizing feature. It is a product-oriented content-based syllabus. Next, the characteristic of grammatical syllabus. The characteristics are: first, consists of an inventory of grammatical, phonological, and lexical items. Second, is based on the structures of a language. Third, learners learn grammatical structures in a sequence. Fourth, the focus is on the knowledge and skill which learners should gain as a result of instructions. And fifth, influenced by the behaviority theory of learning, such as stimulus, response, and reinforcement. In grammatical syllabus also has the selection and gradation of grammatical. It's based on the complexity and simplicity of grammatical items. The teacher regards the items from the point of view of levels or stages. For example, beginning, intermediate, advanced, or grades 1, 2, 3, and so on, from simple grammar structures to complex one. Example, a grammatical syllabus may start with the present simple, present continuous, then the past simple, and so on. For example, first present simple and then past simple, that expressing requests and orders, future time like will or going to, describing people and places, and present perfect simple and others. Okay, next I will explain about the advantages and disadvantages of grammatical syllabus. First is the advantages of grammatical syllabus. The advantages are: it's very much helpful to develop writing skills, and then it enriches students' basic vocabulary. Next, sequencing and selection of teaching items is not as difficult as it with other syllabuses. And the learners moves from simple to more complex. It means that the learners can learn grammatical structure from the simple until the complex one. And then the teachers need not to be fluent in the language they teach. And the last, provide a way of taming the enormous complexity and dispersity of language. Well, the disadvantages of grammatical syllabus. The disadvantages are: first, it overemphasizes language structure and neglects communicative competence. And second, it doesn't address the immediate communication needs of the learner who is learning a language within the context of a community where the language is spoken. And the last is it hampers the student's creative sides because it confines him or her within the walls of some specific rules. Okay everybody, that's all my explanation about grammatical syllabus. I was explain about the definition, characteristic, selection and gradation, advantages and disadvantages. Now I will show you an example of grammatical syllabus.
Okay, this is an example of grammar syllabus from Pendidikan Indonesia University, Faculty of Language and Arts Education, Department of English. A syllabus lets students know what the course is about. In this syllabus, there is objectives, where objectives are meant to establish several main purposes for learning. Define exactly what students should be able to do by the end of the course of instruction. And then course description. After that, learning activities. Learning activities are ones where the students is able to take what they have learned from engaging with the activity. And then evaluations. After that, grading phase. In this grading phase, score in 85 until 100 is A. 75 until 84 is B. 65 until 74 is C. 55 until 64 is D. And under 54 is A. Okay, next is the course outline. In this course outline, there are 16 sessions, where in session 1 is the topics about introduction to course outline and overview of grammar. Session 2 until 4 is phrase, clauses, sentence fragments, and sentences. Session 5 until 6 is simple and compound sentences. Session 7 is complex sentence with adjective clause. Session 8, midterm test. Session 9, the topics about complex sentence with noun clause. Session 10 until 11, the complex sentence with adverbial clause. Session 12, the topics about parallel structure. Session 13 is inversion. Session 14 about sentences with introductory it and there. Session 15 is review all of the material. And the last session 16, final test. After that, in this syllabus, there is references of the material that lecturer give for the students. Okay, that's all about grammatical syllabus, definition, characteristic, selection and gradation, advantages and disadvantages, and also the example. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.